Hiya, just want to do a little video for you. This is, hopefully I found out what the problem is. It took me ages, I've tried all sorts of stuff. Starting issue, the engine's warm at the moment, and when I try and start it, this is the result. So it's just not starting, and I've been racking my brains, had all sorts of stuff off, done looked at lots of videos and couldn't find anything. But took it down to a friend who got the OBD reader, and he said it is the cam sensor that's the issue. It's given a cam sensor issue. So just a thought, if you do have this issue, just try that cam sensor. It may be the thing. It might save you going to the garage. It's just cost me £28.50 from a local dealer. This one's a 2.2 turbo diesel, the Peugeot engine, 2010 plate, and I'm going to fit it, and I shall get back to you and let you know. Okay, so this is the part, and I found out where it goes. Taking the covers off, just the top suitcase cover goes at the top, and it goes over here. Now this is, again, like I say, the Peugeot engine, and I thought that was a solid, but it's not, it's rubber, so I might just be able to squeeze that to one side to get that bolt out, and then we'll replace it. Okay, the cam sensor is fitted, and it was quite easy. It was just an Allen headed bolt to take out. Just be careful not to drop it. Okay, first start, let's see what we get. Engine's still warm, and oh, there we go. She's running. All good. Off again. This wouldn't normally start. Start again, you little beauty. Right, fantastic, there you go. So if you do have this problem where it turns over and it won't start, or if it's intermittent like mine was, which was really strange, only started when it was cold and not warm, then maybe you could try the cam sensor too. Lovely. That's it. I just thought I'd give a little back to the forums, because when I was looking for this I couldn't find anything. There we go.